Hey guys, Naturalist Kayla here. Today we are going to be learning about galaxies. You guys may be wondering, what is a galaxy? Well, this is a galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy to be exact, which is where we live. To put it simply, a galaxy is just a large group of stars in their solar system. Now these galaxies are huge. They can have trillions of stars. The Milky Way galaxy contains around 300 billion stars. It may be hard to comprehend just how big the Milky Way is, but here are some pictures that might help you understand that. So the Milky Way contains our solar system, but that's a very small part of the Milky Way. Do you see that little dot on this picture? Yeah, that's our solar system. Which means that Earth is located about here in the whole Milky Way galaxy. You may have actually seen the Milky Way before. If you go outside when it's really dark out and there's no lights around, you can look up in the sky and see bands of the Milky Way stretching across. We can't see any of the other galaxies though, even though there are a ton more, because they're light years away from us. But they all come in different shapes and sizes. The three most common shapes of galaxies are spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and irregular galaxies. Do you guys know which shape the Milky Way is? It's a spiral. This galaxy is an example of a spiral galaxy. If you look at it, you can see it kind of looks like a pinwheel. This next one is an irregular galaxy. It doesn't really have a shape, kind of just looks like a blob. And finally, we have an elliptical galaxy. This kind of just looks like a flat, round oval. Galaxies also have lots of different colors in them. If you look at this one, which is the Milky Way, you can see blues and reds and some yellows. But when most people think of galaxies, they think of something like this. This is the print that you'll find all over the place. Galaxies do sometimes look like this, but most of the time the colors are more muted to the eye. But in this one, there are lots of colors. Remember this galaxy and the colors that you see when we move on to our activity. I hope you guys learned a little bit more about galaxies today, and sometime make sure you go outside when it's dark out and try to look for the Milky Way. We are going to move on to our activity now, and that is making a galaxy in a bottle. If you've never made a galaxy in a bottle before, they're super easy to make and use items that you can find in your house. Next, I will show you guys what you need to make your galaxy in a bottle and how to make it. Here is what you will need for your galaxy bottle. So I'm using a little bottled water like this. So I have a bottle. You need the water that's in the bottle. You need cotton balls, food coloring, something to stir your food coloring into the water like a popsicle stick, glitter. Glitter is always needed, and a cup to put your water in. Now you are ready to make your galaxy in a bottle. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to pour out the water until there's just a little bit left. I go to this line right here, so I'm going to do that. So there, now there's just a little bit of water left. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your first color. And I'm using this gel food coloring, so I don't think it takes much. You're just gonna put just a little bit in there. And then you can use your popsicle stick to stir it around until it's the color that you like. I'm gonna add a little bit more because I want it to be more green than that. There we go. And then, because I like glitter, I am going to add some green glitter in there. And then you just give it another stir. And now here's the important part. You're going to start adding your cotton balls to your bottle. What you want to do is you want to kind of take them and break them up a little bit, and then you're going to stick them down into the water. When you do this, you can use your popsicle stick again and kind of press them down in there. Now the important part of this step is to make sure that all your water is soaked up. At this point, there's still a little bit of water there, so I'm going to keep adding some cotton balls. Alright, so that's pretty well soaked up all the water in there. So now you do that again. You're going to add another layer of water. I'm going to pour just a little bit in there. Then you're going to add your food coloring. I'm going to do blue next. And then give it a good stir. That a good stir, and add more cotton balls. It's already starting to look really cool. Again, it's really important that you make sure you have enough cotton balls in there to soak up all the water. Otherwise, when you add the other layers, the colors will mix together and there won't be distinct layers. So I'm going to move on to my next layer. I'm going to do yellow for this layer. This time I'm going to add some stars. Now, one thing I didn't think about, when you add yellow to blue, guess what color it makes? Green. So I'm gonna try another layer of yellow. See if it turns out a little less green and a little more yellow this time. I think that's all I'm gonna fit. So then you just wanna screw your lid on as tight as you can get it. And then take a look at your galaxy in a bottle. They're all gonna look different, but they're awesome. We hope you enjoyed this video and we can't wait to see your galaxy in a bottle. If you did like this video, please like and share it. We would like to get as many people subscribed to our channel as possible. If you guys have any ideas for any other videos, please let us know in the comments, and we look forward to our next video. Thanks, guys.